If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Bitcoin Update today. And it's Friday, blessed Friday. Enjoy. Today the signals is finally opened and you have 10 days to actually enter the signals. Okay, so do check the Discord is opened up and that's where you can join. Now I don't see any intention for Bitcoin to continue any higher. I just want to go back to time and see what happened with Bitcoin. So we pretty much spent some time in this first resistance zone before we went to the downside, and then you made a huge fake out like that, moved to the downside, and the third time that you did the same, you pretty much moved down and then you try to move back up a little bit and then you crashed all the way to the downside. So the intentions are pretty much clear that we're not trying to get above anytime soon. But however, let me tell you one thing. If you do get above this trend line right here, then that could be finally the time to actually even push all the way up to nearly $28,000. So right now we are under suspense again. Another mystery. It's just been like that for a very, very long time at the moment. I want to actually discuss about the total market cap of crypto. So I'm just going to write in market cap right there. So total market cap is what I want to talk about. So previously, this is what I saw about the total market cap, and actually it looks amazing. The market cap looks amazing. And I had a call, actually my brother called me and he's the one who talked about the market cap, and he told me, hey bro, check the market cap. So I'm just going to remove all the drawings right now and I want to show you what the market cap did. So the market cap actually suggests that Bitcoin potentially could have even bottomed out. You know that? So you see, this is your total market cap for cryptocurrencies, right? I'm just going to do something like this, or it could even be something like that. I'm just going to leave it like that, actually, the way it was before. So the story starts all the way from here. You have this one resistance line right there, second resistance line right here. You got that third resistance right there, the fourth resistance right here. And the market cap, basically, you can see it has popped out, and you can see the retest is also pretty much successful. So to me personally, we don't want to see the market cap making a fake out and try to push to the downside. Now Bitcoin on its own looks pretty weird because we're still under that resistance that I just showed you, but the market cap looks pretty nice. That's one thing. So combining these two, the market cap and Bitcoin as well, we might see that Bitcoin is ready to move to the upside at the moment, and our market cap basically looks pretty amazing. So right now I'm just going to dive into the 4-hour time frame, and you can see even the 4-hour time frame we have pretty much made the retest. Actually, you can see it popped up. Just going to take the brush here. All right, so you popped up like this, back tested once, went up, back tested second time, and it has really been bouncing off here. That's actually a very strong level. You can continue bouncing off this line, but you don't want to see it coming down below that line and back testing like this and fail. Then we are going to be in some serious trouble. So the total market cap is really suggesting that potentially that could be the bottom as well, because if you start to move higher, and let's talk about the technical target of this, right? Now that you've made that break to the downside or whatever, then you're actually meant to go back to where you actually formed the top, where you started that resistance. So basically we might be looking for that push all the way up back to $1.328 trillion market cap for Bitcoin. And if we talk about the total market cap for Bitcoin, for crypto, everything is nearly $3 trillion, right? So right now, if you do go back up to 1.26 trillion, we're talking about a move of nearly 40%, and that's the reason why I am a little bit invested for the long term, because the market cap is something that you got to pay attention for, and I think this is something I didn't talk about previously. Keep an eye on this one, and that's pretty much it for this update on right now on Bitcoin. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz. Bye.